Hi, today we'll be doing another video on our multi-video series about Iceland. This will be doing the things we saw on the southern coast. The problem is we cannot pronounce a lot of the things because their alienish language is very complicated.
So what we're going to do is we're going to put up a bunch of photos and put the names of the places we saw, along with GPS coordinates if we have them. And we'll put some links down in the description, so follow along.
I hope you like our video and our photos, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe and mash that bell. I gave this dude a concussion. Truth. I'd also recommend getting a translator app like Google Translate to do on the computer to translate the names, because
on the phone.
Well, on the phone to swipe on the computer. Well, to yeah.
I'm probably gonna cut this out.
Yeah.